Technology Review is back with a massive breakdown of what's possibly the most anticipated drone release of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. We've seen rumors, blurry prototype shots, and speculation for months. But now, as we inch closer to the official launch, we finally have a much clearer view of what DJI is bringing to the table. And make no mistake, DJI isn't just refining its ultralight drone formula. They're completely reinventing it. The Mini series has long been known for portability and convenience, and the Mini 5 Pro is doubling down on those core values while injecting pro-level features like never before. Whether you're a casual flyer, a content creator, or a drone racing enthusiast, this might be the sub-250G drone you've been waiting for. Let's explore every confirmed spec, feature upgrade, design change, and what it all means for the drone world in 2025. A new design that actually works. The first time leaked images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro hit the internet, reactions were mixed. It looked bulky. The large, permanent-looking prop guards threw off the sleek and compact identity that defines the Mini series. Many wondered, is DJI sacrificing portability for power? But now, real-world footage and hands-on shots have flipped the narrative. The final version of the Mini 5 Pro shows off sleek, foldable propellers, compact motor arms, and a cleaner aerodynamic shape. This is a drone that fits comfortably in a backpack, but packs more performance than many drones twice its size. A standout change in the design is the vented motor housings. These ventilation systems help with cooling during flight, reducing overheating risks and boosting flight reliability, especially on long missions or in warm weather. Cooler motors also help maintain stronger thrust, especially when battling wind or altitude shifts. DJI has clearly paid attention to what pilots need when flying in real-world conditions. Launch date: sooner than expected. Circle August 7th, 2025 on your calendar. That's the official launch day for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and it's earlier than many industry watchers predicted. DJI is clearly confident in its latest creation. Releasing ahead of the busy fall product season gives the Mini 5 Pro breathing room to dominate the airspace, literally. The real star, the 1-inch sensor. This is the moment the Mini series graduates from nice footage to professional-grade imaging. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is confirmed to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a major leap in a sub-250G frame. Why is that important? Most ultralight drones rely on smaller sensors, which suffer in low light, struggle with dynamic range, and produce flatter footage. The Mini 5 Pro's new sensor brings in sharper images with better fine detail, vibrant, lifelike colors, much improved low-light performance, a significant upgrade in dynamic range, perfect for sunrise and sunset shots or high-contrast environments. From YouTubers to wedding videographers to hobbyists, this sensor changes the game. You no longer need a Mavic or Inspire-class drone to get cinematic results. Gimbal upgrade. Full 360 degrees creativity. Another defining upgrade is the new 360-degree gimbal rotation. Previous mini drones had limited gimbal movement due to side-mounted bumpers. Now those flaps are gone, and in their place is full rotational freedom. Longer flights equals more possibilities. Battery life is always a limiting factor with drones, and this is where DJI has done something seriously impressive. According to official documentation, the Mini 5 Pro comes with a 4,680 mAh battery, rated at 33.5 Wh. This translates to a standard flight time of up to 45 minutes, a solid jump from earlier models. Cooling, wind resistance, and smooth performance. The new vented motor housings serve more than just aesthetics. They help maintain optimal internal temperatures, reducing performance drops during extended sessions. Better airflow equals better flight control, and better cooling helps maintain stable thrust, critical when facing wind or flying at higher elevations. Combine that with upgraded flight algorithms and stabilized sensors, and you've got a drone that's more reliable in tough conditions. Whether you're setting up for a spontaneous flight or fixing a prop in the field, this makes your drone more practical than ever. The DNA remains lightweight and foldable. Despite all the pro-level upgrades, DJI hasn't strayed from the Mini's winning formula. Ultralight, foldable, and easy to carry. The Mini 5 Pro still folds down to a size that fits in any bag. It's under the 250G threshold, which means no registration needed in many regions and easier travel regulations. So yes, even with a 1-inch sensor, new safety gear, and a bigger battery, it still qualifies as an ultralight drone. Range, transmission, and compatibility. What's the point of a powerful drone if it can't fly far? Luckily, the Mini 5 Pro uses DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, giving it a control range of up to 20 kilometers. That's the same performance offered by flagship models like the DJI Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro. Pair it with DJI RC controllers, motion controllers, and even FPV goggles, and the Mini 5 Pro transforms from a camera drone into an immersive flight machine. DJI is even rumored to add voice control in the software. This would allow for hands-free commands, perfect for creators shooting solo. Built-in storage, in-app voiceover, and new flight modes. Leaks indicate that the drone will include 30 gigabytes of internal storage. Forget your microSD card? No problem. You'll still get the shot. There's also talk of in-app audio recording, ideal for real-time commentary and narration during flight. Great news for vloggers and adventure content creators who want to keep their setup minimal. And a dedicated flight mode button might be on the shell itself, allowing you to trigger cinematic preset movements quickly, even without your controller fully paired. Pricing breakdown. So how much will all this cost? Base combo is rumored to launch around $850. Fly More combo with extra batteries, props, charging hub, and case could hit $1,200. That slots the Mini 5 Pro comfortably between the Mini 4 Pro and DJI Air 3, giving consumers a premium feature set in a more travel-friendly package. Bonus: GoPro strikes back? In related news, GoPro is also preparing for a big 2025 with the Hero 14 Black. It's expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, dual-screen setup, and a new processor for better thermal management. With DJI dominating the camera drone space, GoPro is pushing back hard in action cams. The battle between DJI's Osmo Action 5 and GoPro Hero 14 could heat up fast. Final thoughts: Mini 5 Pro, a true game changer. If even half of these leaks come true, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the most powerful, most creative-friendly ultralight drone ever released. It delivers what users have begged for: longer flight times, better image quality, smarter features, and tighter safety controls. But it keeps everything that made the Mini series successful: mobility, simplicity, and legal flexibility. Whether you're a pro videographer looking for a backup drone, a beginner who wants a serious camera without breaking the rules, or an explorer documenting your travels, the Mini 5 Pro just became your new go-to. Here at Tech Review PK, we're beyond excited to test this out once it's available. We'll bring you hands-on coverage, camera comparisons, and deep dive reviews. Because if DJI really delivers on August 7th, this drone won't just be mini, it'll be mighty.